Who's in for Lynette this week?
Yeah, those Trapper Keepers, they were pretty cool. I remember
awesome.
them. Haven't seen them lately, though. I think they're out of style. We're showing our age, you know? Yeah. All right, right now we're taking a live look out over toward Haverty Grace. You can see the sun beginning to come up, and there are a few clouds out there in the distance, and other parts dealing with clear sky. So the mix of sun and clouds until we get thunderstorms yet again to roll through the area. Temperatures currently in Middle River. Good morning to you at 75 degrees. That's the popular number for Aberdeen and Chestertown. Stevensville, you're waking up at 78. Radar showing us clear conditions, at least for now. That will, though, begin to change as we do have a cold front on the move, and that's going to spark some storms, especially with how much moisture we've been dealing with. It's been so sticky lately, and that humidity is really just going to allow for rain to come on down. That cold front right now continuing to march its way throughout portions of, it looks like New York, down through Pennsylvania, and even into West Virginia. As it gets a little bit closer, we'll start to notice those thunderstorms into the afternoon, but I think turning strongest later into the evening, dinner time. Popular time. That's when I think the strongest will come along. And with that, we could be dealing with hail and maybe even some wind along with these storms. We will see another cold front on down by Friday. This one will take our temperatures down to the lower 80s. High pressure building in for the weekend, so keeping it pleasant right in time for your Saturday, Sunday. Futurecast for you at about 7:45 this morning. Here's the mix of sun and clouds. It's a gorgeous day. It's wonderful. You're going to start out needing your sunglasses. Don't forget your umbrella. I know you want to because you're going to see it's so pleasant. But by the time we get to 4 o'clock, now already noticing some rain moving throughout, it looks like into Timonium and pushing down throughout portions of Baltimore and even into Fells, even out over toward Hamden. Then by 5:30, look at that stronger storm now beginning to come out over toward Cockeysville. So it looks like a little bit more action happening, and then heading out over toward Haverty Grace. Watch the line, though, really intensify. Did you see it there? So at 6:30, here's that front moving through, and you can see it looks like portions of the Bay are going to get hit the hardest with most of the rainfall coming on down throughout the area. And then by Tuesday, we'll call for the mix of sun and clouds as well, though temperatures still staying fairly warm. For today in Annapolis, you're looking at noon, 88 degrees. By 4 o'clock, already noticing those thunderstorms. Temperatures then of about 89. 7-day forecast showing you tomorrow will be 90. We get a break from the rain, and Friday, the storm chance returns. Let's look at your 7-day forecast. Let's check those roads. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning.